Hey guys, Ibrahim, back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the error in Roblox that when you try to play Roblox, it gives you this error that says initialization error 4. So this video will only be helpful if you're using the antivirus, if you're using F-Secure. So what you have to do is you have to be using F-Secure save for your antivirus for this. So what you do is you open your F-Secure, you click on this button that says settings. It asks you for the thing that normally happens down. You don't have to worry about it. Nothing will happen. So, and then you click deep guard and you turn this off. Don't worry, just won't do any difference. It's just extra protection you don't need, because basically it will stop you from it won't let you run programs that it thinks is a virus, but it might not be. So turn it off, because then it doesn't matter, because then, like, for some reason it thinks Roblox is a virus. So you can turn this off, and then don't worry, because then if it's an actual virus, it will block it, but it's just applications that it thinks it's a virus, but they might not be. So yeah, so what you do that, and then the next time when you go into Roblox, it should work. If it should let you play. I can show you. You should be able to play. If it still would not, like now when it starts Roblox normally, and let's just wait for it to load. And yeah, it's working. It's working fine. It might be. So now look, it's working fine. Guys, it's working absolutely fine with no issues at all. Look, it's working fine. Yeah, look on. Yeah, I'm doing all of this. Yeah, it works. Roblox will work like normal. You don't have to worry about getting any viruses, because the antivirus will still work fine. Basically, I don't know, like, for some reason it doesn't let you play any games at all, even though you know it doesn't contain a virus. Like Roblox, everyone downloads it from clicking play on the game, and there's no virus in it. So yeah, you might and it also improves your FPS. Like before, it was still running the same, because my PC is pretty good, but it improves your it might make your FPS a bit lower. Like normally my game runs better than this, but right now it's like, you can see the FPS is kinda low, but yeah, so good. So I hope this video solves your problem. If not, tell me in the comments, and I'll try and find another way to fix this problem. Goodbye.